Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 7 plus 3 times x equals 34. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. Use the same operation on both sides to keep the equation equal. Subtract 7 from both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives 3 times x equals 27. The variable coefficient is 3. Divide both sides by 3 to leave the variable alone. Quick check, substitute 9 for x. Both sides equal 34, so the equation balances. So, x equals 9.